but you just kind of put the little Sony thing there.
There's Greg and his...
Hey, we're all done, boys. We'll see ya. We're going to town.
And his new lover.
Already?
Nothing on. What?
This is the new Bobette of the day.
What?
Hey.
The new what?
Take your medicine. Face it.
Bobette.
I'm a Bobette.
Bobette.
Go away.
You dropped something.
What did I drop?
Pick it up.
You guys are horrible.
It's a cigar, dude. It's a cigarette. Want to smoke it?
Cuban cigar. Here. Go over there and play with Braden for a while.
We get to share?
This timeshare program. We're friends. Where's my tent?
This is mine.
Where's my tent?
There's our tent. Look at that. Fresh OG tent. Dude, that was like, we took that tent up with us when we scaled Everest, dude.
I think we can open.
Oh, that's from Moab.
Next, on The Real World. And on this river rafting trip with us we have Greg Robinsino.
I can't do what?
Come on in.
What?
And Wonder Woman herself.
What?
Jen. Something or other.
Strong.
Strong. Fuerte.
We're camping.
Glenn Jacobian Myers. It's about time.
Hey! Oh, shit. Rich glasses. Give me a doogie.
I feel like crap.
Eric Olson.
Braden Birdie.
The mighty dynamic old missionary of Salt Lake area.
Yeah.
Say what?
You got it. We came, we saw, we baptized.
That's right.
Vámonos. Vámonos, las chicas.
And
Granditos.
Siciliano Christiansen.
Tú tengo.
Tú tienes tetón grandes.
Yeah, grande.
Porque estamos aquí en El Tetones Grandes. Uh-oh, and the pack of wolves are coming to get us. And in the red car, number 93, Brian. And it's all right. And your videographer, cool, chilling in effect, Braden, Big B, Barty, yeah, you know me. Coaching today's river rafting trip will be this dog. Hey, there it is! There it is! Get it! Get it! It's right there! Get it! Yeah, get it! Woo! It's right there! It's right there! Go get it! There's the raft.
Wait, it's Betty.
I need to take a dooger. Let's go.
Great.
Life jacket.
You will.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that one's inside.
Don't get it mixed up.
We do have 7 life.
You watched it for it now, okay, dog? When we return, we want all 3 of these tents to still be here, okay?
Well,
And if we come back and something's missing, we're blaming you. Mutt! You get run over! I'm a diesel truck! Come back and wash the damn tits, you dumb dog! We're here.
Dave from hockey?
No, from our dorm.
Oh, from work?
From our work?
Hey, eat. Funnel.
From where?
From the dorm. He's supposed to be here with some Los Chicas. Oh, it's my watch.
Let's go register us. We document the registration. Tort laws, liability coverage. In the event of an accident, we would actually sue. Had this been a real accident, we would be rich. Here we are approaching the registrar's desk. Register here. This is not for a marriage license. And there is no bell for service. Ding! Hello?
I saw the ranger and people that way.
Ah, maybe we'll just... Braden Bardy. B-A-R-D-Y. It's actually a T, but we'll say Bardy.
Okay, address?
1316 Hidden Creek Court. Number A.
Oh.
Bardy's Expedition. Cost of trip. Our lives. 129.
Our lives.
99 cents.
Owner of boat or guide. Rented?
Braden Barty. Rented, sure, rented. It's under my name, rented.
Our lives. Our money. How many plans do you plan on floating this stretch today? 2 or 3? 2 or 3. People write down in the comments regarding the same. Okay. It's filled out now. Now what else do we do? Launch or camp?
West.
What can I do for you?
West launch. Are we supposed to register?
You are indeed supposed to register.
Okay.
There's a gentleman roaming around in a little green suit out there.
I think we...
Oh, well, if you just did that,
we registered.
that works beautifully.
And just leave this here.
Yeah, just leave it here and we'll take care of it.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You bet. See, we're registered. Hi, I'm from Canada. I love hockey. And women. The 2 things you can do rhyme with puck.
Uh-oh. Here's the woman of the group. Grace Jones Karate Ma'am.
Is this small?
No way!
You can be El Juiz.
What?
And you got an Audi. You got an Audi.
That's my, yeah.
I do. Look at these guys. This rafting can be so hard, it's just gonna bounce off of every living rock. Living rock? Every inanimate rock.
There's Brayden giving us the muscle show. Look out, Ventura Beach. Brayden Party. Jackson Hole, Wyoming.
Show us some legs.
Okay.
Show some buttocks.
All right, hey, don't bend over.
The Atlas pose. Let's see the Atlas pose.
Wait, are you a carpenter?
Used to be. Now I'm an insurance salesman.
Woohoo!
You're a carpenter's dream.
Well, that's right, we don't sell the insurance.
Has anybody here ever heard of Amway? You know, you can get a gallon of sunblock and 100 points if
That cloud. Let me tell you something here, Glenn. Let me tell you something here.
I'm showing what?
Do that one more time. I didn't have that. A little more. A little more to the right. A little more. Keep going down. Down. Okay. Okay, keep going. No. Up a little. Inside. Let me tell you something here, Glenn. The sun is about to come out, and once the sun is out, are you recording? Does it say rec? Yeah, it does. Oh, I just can't say that. As soon as the sun comes out, we're gonna have good sun today, and it's gonna warm up, and it's gonna make our trip even more splendid. So. Oh, I need to edit your chest. There you go. There's my hair. There it goes.
Hey, serious cleavage. Serious cleavage.
Close up. Serious cleavage. All right. How do we turn this on? Yeah, just push a button. Here, why don't you do this? Why don't you film?
All right.
And I'll carry.
Cool. How do I film?
Hey, wait, you got the rope back. Yeah!
Just look through the eyepiece. There you go. Oh, it's recording already.
Oh boy.
Uh-oh. Hello, women in the camera. Hello.
All right.
Hi ho, hi ho.
Rapid.
We got the ho, you know. What are you saying?
I'm saying that is a. Oh, we've already started to hit rapids.
Oh,
Yeah.
right, get over here.
This way, this way.
Yeah, I'm helping.
Right, get your fat Buddha butt over here.
Oh, I'm there.
Brett, you piece of shit.
He's a floater.
Yeah, try and let out a floater right there. Right, out here. Right, are you stopped yet? Take a shot. Check the cost of the trip, our lives, our money. Keep it going, bud. In the water and it will float.
Hi, guys. In the water. Call one, Brian.
Right here.
You want to stop.
Get back
Push
left.
the red button.
No, we don't want to lose any oars because they're expensive.
Wreck. Okay, how do I get it to say red?
You push the red button right there. Right there. Come on.
How much is a wetsuit?
And that's the same button I press to stop it?
Oh my goodness!
Okay, Mom and Dad. One of those trips that I always went on and you always despised, thinking I was going to come back and have a piece of driftwood wrapped around my neck. This is it. But see how safety I am? I got it all.
See the river Wild Billy?
So now we got it.
Hey, Billy.
You want to see the gone?
This is the river. This is the Snake River, the same Snake River that Evil Knievel jumped over a few years back. See this guy? He is our river rafting. He's our guide, but he feels so confident with us that he's just gonna let us go on ourselves. Okay, thanks.
Over here, and that's in case it rains. Right there.
This person right here, she is our little. She's our little she's the referee. Make sure that we do everything
Fair.
in accordance
Fair.
with
That's right.
team rules. This is after all, the 1996 Summer Olympics. This is the rafting parties expedition.
I'm here
team.
representing Canada, Team Canada, right here, Calgary, Alberta, Canada. We are the champions.
Canada,
Can I wait for anyone in before one
Missouri, and the Salt Lake, Utah.
You know that famous American picture where they're raising the flag? Well, here we're raising the oar.
Alright, what are we waiting for?
Which way's front?
So you guys ready to battle the river today?
Yeah.
Wow. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you scared?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You've done this before, then I take it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yesterday we flipped over.
You flipped over?
Yeah.
Now, how'd you flip over? Tell us about it.
In one counter, we have a bad boat and it flipped over.
Was this the bad boat that flipped over?
No, the one way down.
Oh, okay. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. We're ready.
James. Why don't you give it to them?
James! James! James!
James!
James! James! Hey, we're not gonna get you wet, don't worry.
Yeah.
How was Niagara?
The barrel was a little rough, but...
Goodbye! Goodbye!
Jump in! Oh no!
Tell my family I love them.
Wait! Someone's floaters are seasoned!
That's Mad River.
River dog.
All right.
Hey, you guys.
Hey, one of you guys went AWOL back up in the bathroom?
Whoa! You guys got yellow jackets on.
Not gonna get wet.
That's our team name.
Yeah, what?
Yellow jackets.
The yellow jackets?
Yellow Jacket.
Yeah, we're like the wingnuts or something.
Why am I in front and videotaping?
Come on, Jacques.
Which?
It's a Barty Odyssey. Another Barty Odyssey.
Hey, Jen.
This week on National Geographic Explorer.
Side to this side.
Okay.
You want me to just go on this side?
Yeah.
All right.
Where is it doing crap?
Filming!
We need somebody to start on the right
I'm
side.
videoing! Dude, this camera is not waterproof. Can I just
What do you
advise
mean?
this?
It's video this.
Who brought this?
Watch out. Coming up, coming up.
Pringles?
Watch the leg.
Read in.
Why?
Did you bring this?
Why, yeah.
Is this a National Geographic Explorer?
Why?
That's not biodegradable. That's aluminum.
We'll throw it in the river. Jeez, like I am.
Okay, listen.
Listen to Master Wordsman.
Don't let go of your paddle.
This week on National Geographic Explorer,
Rule
Jackson
number 2.
Hole, Wyoming, whitewater
Don't
rafting.
let go of your paddle.
Don't let go of your paddle.
Ah.
Don't let
You
Jen
don't
go
come
in
back
the
to the
water.
boat. You let go of
She'll
your paddle,
throw
you
some
go.
chops.
Brett, either you or Glenn should switch with me since I have the video camera and we're
No,
that way.
not gonna
And
do.
you've got the dry bag right there.
Well,
Yeah.
the dry bag comes back
Quickly,
with.
let's just go over just paddling what we're gonna
Let's
do. Okay.
stroke.
Okay, I'm just gonna. If I say 3 forward, everybody give me 3 strokes forward. Sometimes I'll just count them off. It keeps everybody in sync.
Okay.
So let's say 3 strokes forward.
Let's ram.
1, 2, 3.
Good job, good job.
All right, that's what to expect. Okay.
What to expect?
And I'll try to.
What to expect?
So sorry, seriously.
Let's catch their draft.
Everybody, lean back. Follow the river guide. There we go. Follow the river guide. Yes.
Here. Okay,
What
Jen.
else can I do in the river?
If you do go in,
Birdie, I gotta get my feet under here.
which you will,
Okay. Oh, we okay.
the only thing you need to remember is aim your feet that
You
way,
won't flip
Yeah.
whatever way's downriver. Carry your
Jen?
paddle with you,
Stabilize.
I kick some crackers up there
and
with
just
you.
and just
Lean
sit
back.
there and wait until we come to you.
Okay, Greg.
The water's really not fast enough for any serious enemas.
Okay. Here comes the serious ones. Look out. There's one. This.
And you guys also the other thing is.
Don't go up paddling on your own.
Yeah. Say 1, your paddle. When I say 2, paddle out.
Oh!
Left hand.
Giving her all she's got. I can't give her. Yes.
If you get the camera wet,
Yeah. Why am I videotaping the front?
bucket.
Boy, it's got a bucket.
That's all right. We'll just jump on their boat and chuck them in.
Oh my gosh, that was cold.
Roscoe, you're gonna freeze.
I'm gonna freeze, yeah.
How cold is it?
Oh, 50.
We're caught in a backdraft, boys. Backdraft.
I'm getting seasick.
There's like a rock right up in there, remember that? I don't know if it's open now or not.
This is so scary. I've never been so scared my whole life.
You're an engineer.
That sucked.
Brett, would you give us the example of the single wave footboat? All right.
Okay, give us the Amazing Grace.
Standing wave.
We want to get right in the middle of that thing. Okay, let's hold up right there.
Hello, get him on film. Get him on film. Woo! Wave for the camera. All right, don't wave. Thank you.
See how these other guys are going over? That's what we want to do.
Okay, do we stroke? Do we stroke through the rapids? Stroke through the rapids.
Stroke your rapids, braids,
Leave your paddle down, Jen. Push with your left hand.
Okay,
Push
I'm
it
gonna
down.
flip it sideways and we're all gonna want to paddle. Ready? Here we go. Paddle forward. Paddle on the left. Come on.
Brett, come on, Brett, you sorry,
Why don't I start
sorry
paddling?
sucker.
Yeah.
Why don't we put that camera away? Because it'll give us something to look at later on.
Right over to the side. Alright. Okay. Hold up right there. Hold up. Oh, we're good.
Okay. Okay, paddle.
Paddle.
Jen, can you paddle? Drop your arms down.
We conquered. Just getting there, sucked in that whirlpool. Ray, we really need you to paddle now.
All right.
It's all wet.
It is.
Hey, should we do chunks?
Here we go. Ready? Here we go.
Now walk us into it, boy.
All right.
Remember last year when Dan went down on Ducky?
You asking me?
Woo! Gonna do a little porpoise.
They call it
Really?
faster than light.
Where's the
No
atomic
one you
submarine?
see
How's
is
water, man?
smarter than he.
Was it a full wetsuit?
And we know Pepper,
Very fresh.
Pepper. Na 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 na.
Are you gold?
Na 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 na. And you got Pepper, Pepper, Pepper. Mother, Daddy, Mother, Uncle, holy Coors Light, cold, Mother. I love you, baby. I love you. Ah!
We're really not here. It's a hallucination.
And he didn't feel a thing.
You better swim for us, dude. We're leaving you.
Come back here. Come back here. That's cold.
Get the maximum size.
Get it cold. Here. Feel that. Look right behind you, Greg. What?
One, two.
Don't hit a rock.
Is this Jeremy's?
Are you coming up?
That's right. He's ready to shit again. Because that's what he does.
Are you peeing? You were sitting in the river for a while.
No, I didn't pee.
I thought there was a hot spring around here.
Hey, I'm going downstream.
This mother. Wait a second. Oh! It's not there anyway. It left. It's not there still.
Don't drink the water. Oh, I just stayed in the water.
Oh, there it is.
There we go.
Don't get me wet.
Do a running man.
Run, County.
Hey, no, look out. Watch paddle.
Let's go.
Look at the paddle.
Paddle, save it. Get the paddle.
Don't let go of the battle! Don't let go!
Don't let
Rule
go.
number 2! Rule number 2!
You're the wetsuit, number 2!
Here we go! Battle!
Hey, Brayden, your battery light's going.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Battle!
Screaming.
Battle!
Here.
I swam past the boat!
Is it cold?
I couldn't help you. I didn't see what was going on in time.
Hey, Greg planned the whole thing.
Inside, inside.
Right, give me the blue bag.
Got it.
I hate you guys.
Buddy, can't be don't get away.
Why don't you come on in? What are you doing out there? What are you doing with that, sugar?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do we like lose an oar?
Or what?
Good.
You got him.
Finally, the sun's out.
Actually, the sun has always been
You
there.
are getting warmer.
The clouds have been hiding the sun.
Right.
In reality, the sun has been there longer than any of us.
Keep playing with the water the whole time.
If you really think about it,
There, your whole body feels
each of us in our own way is a product of the
Take your
sun.
words for it.
Really, the sun is our father.
See how red and cold
Pagans unite, people against goodness and normality.
Setting yourself up, aren't you?
Don't.
Dude, that's how I just did it last time.
I'm faithful guide.
Brian. Fight. Kung Fu.
Oh,
hey,
hey,
right.
there. I'll give you a deep thought.
Alrighty.
I think, therefore I am.
The platform?
If I am, I must exist. If I didn't exist, I couldn't be here to doubt my existence. Therefore, I must exist. We're river rafting. We just went over a lunge counter and another one. And what?
What's that one that's so
California Straits. Brayden died. I am his spirit. Big kahuna. Teton grande.
California Straits is the best.
Now we're heading for.
But we still have Jenny to sacrifice to the god of
Going
the
home.
Snake River.
You got it. Good water.
Champagne.
God of good water. That's right.
Champagne's coming. This is the.
We need to
God
find
of
a
good water is the
volcano
water
now,
ski
though.
god. The god of good water is the water ski god. The god of nasty, wrathful rapids is the god of that.
Yeah.
Never have we seen such a feat. We are putting this on the Toyota. Here, B. I'll say it in Japanese now. We are putting boat on the car.
In the right, don't we? Yep. More open. Hey, keep paddling. Where do we go? Where do we go?
Lord, Lord,
Woo! Go to lunch counter!
everybody, dang it.
Come on.
Let's go forward. Right, here we go. That's what we want, right there. Right there. Right there.
Oh, you want some more of this? You want some more of this?
Hold on, don't entice him.
Okay, be straight me.
Got the video camera on that one. Still working.
Strong lift.
What are we getting out of that?
That wall of water, man, is not me.
That was Bishi of mine.
Are you want some more? That was some good rafting.
Let's go hard on the right.
Put that camera back, man.
Hard on the right. Hard on the right. Just making sure the rope doesn't move.
Hey, put it back in that thing so we can soak.
Okay. Hurry, they're gonna slide through the rope. Go, Russ, go, Russ, go! Come on, you Missouri mascot!
Go!
You might want to take those glasses off.
Hold
We
on,
got 10 seconds! Go!
Take on those glasses off.
Jump, you stupid! Jump! I'm coming up there to push you.
We'll take you to the store to buy a new pair. Now go!
Oh my word.
He lost him. He doesn't.
This all I said, we're getting never. This not one chiller. It's not Michael Jackson and Jackson.